That's cherry grand Marinade, and I'm putting 2 of those in there. That's sriracha. I'm going to put a couple sweet chili sauce, and I'll put a squirt of Dijon mustard in place of dry mustard that I've used to use in dry mustard. Squirt of ketchup just for the tomato and vinegar. A couple tablespoons of barbecue sauce. Tomato sauce with Western Smokehouse flavor, just for the smell. Pretty good squirt in about 2 to 3 tablespoons of 1 teaspoon of Frank's Red. A little bit of ginger, fresh ginger. Yeah, that ginger smells good. 1 clove of fresh garlic. Garlic is finely chopped. And just a little bit of spices, just to liven it up a wee bit, not too much. I think I'll bypass on the garlic powder. It's whisk time. So I have skinless chicken thighs. And I'm going to cut them from the center out by about 2 inches from the edge. Sorry, 2 centimeters from the edge. 2 inches will go all the way into the center. And that's just going to allow all that good goop stuff to get in there. So here's the chicken all cut up and ready to go. What we'll do next is put it in a big Ziploc bag and pour the goop in, the marinade, and put that in a big bowl so that if there's any leakage, it'll go into the bowl, and will also help it keep in a large mass, which will keep it all soaking. Okay, so I put it in the bag, put the chicken in the bag, poured 70% or more of that marinade into the bag, and now I'll just slosh it around. That's how for the mixing. All ready to go. Okay, so I got my chicken marinated. I got my little bit of reserve there, and that'll go in the fridge until about 6 p.m. It's 1:16 now, so it's going to get a good almost 5 hours of soaking. These are going to be on the barbecue at about 450 degrees for 30 minutes. Okay.